In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your MacBook Pro 2012. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Anyways, getting into it, what you want to go ahead and do once you're on your MacBook page is go to the top left where you're going to see your Apple icon. So go ahead and click on that, and you're going to see a lot of different options here. So you just want to go over to System Settings like so. And it kind of works generally the same as however you would do it on an iPhone or something like that, if you've ever factory reset one of those. But all you want to do is go to your General tab, which is right under Battery. And then from here, scroll down, and right at the bottom, you're going to see an option where it says Transfer or Reset. So go ahead and click on that. Now, what you want to do is you're going to see an option where it says Erase All Content and Settings. Go ahead and click on that. It's then going to need your password, so just go ahead and give it your password. So I'm going to do mine right now and unlock it. Then it's going to say erase all content and settings. All settings, media, and data for all volumes on this Mac will be erased, and it also shows the following items will also be removed. Then it shows everything that's going to be removed, so then all you want to do is press continue, and then yeah, that's it. You'll be good to go. It's going to start the reset process.